Bananas, one of my favorite things. But why are bananas good for gardening? Well, bananas are great for gardening because they have a peel. This banana peel is great for the garden. So what you do, you eat the banana, it's good for your body, but then you can put this banana peel in your composter for sure. If you're busy, go ahead. But if you have a little bit of extra time, you can cut it up into little pieces and you can plant it around your plants in your garden. So just dig a little trench around your plants. You know what loves banana peels is tomatoes, peppers, and flowers. So when you're planting your tomatoes, peppers, or flowers, cut up your banana peels, dig a little trench, just enough to cover them with soil. Don't touch the plants with the banana peel, but just put them in the soil around the plants. Cover it up and they will break down, and they are excellent. Tomatoes, peppers, and flowers love banana peels, right? Nature knows what she's doing, and you have a great day.